Get into the 2020 Toyota Corolla. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Enjoy a view of this sharp-looking, fuel-efficient Toyota Corolla, the practical-minded yet feature-rich automobile that takes you where you want to go in comfort and style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, steering wheel audio controls, Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth connection. Practicality can be surprisingly stylish. See for yourself when you take this well-designed Corolla out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.